Hello everyone. So in this video we are going to see feature definitions of IndiaKit or India Workspace. So in our India Workspace we have added recently a new feature definitions as per the ISC codes. Basically those names match with whatever the codes recommend. So the layer names like your payment layers as well as your base and sub-base layers. So the same should be reflected in our corridor quantity reports. So let us have a quick look over that. So this is a sample model in which we have terrain at the background and we have designed our center line and then applied a corridor over it with a one template, and that template is having certain layers, and for that layers we have defined the feature definitions. So one thing to note, corridor quantity reports fetch the feature definition names, not the names which we have given according to our preferences. So we have applied two lanes Indian template over our center line geometry. If I quickly zoom in and just double click on any of the layer, so you can see these are the names. So you can even change the name from here. But remember, the names are not being captured in the corridor quantity reports. It's the feature definition name which is being captured. So you need to change right from here. Name, you can keep it as per your preferences, or you can even keep the initials or short form. And as I said before, the feature definition names are reflected. So I have applied all the conventional feature definition names like of top layer bituminous concrete BC, and I have kept it as VG40, BC VG40, then dense bituminous concrete, then WM, WBM, and then finally GSB layer. So this is my template. So I have just confirmed by double clicking over any of the component layer. So I can simply close it. Okay, and now what I can do, I can just simply go to Explorer and go to Open Road Standards and then open my dgen file. And within this, if I see what are the feature definitions under the mesh, so all these feature definitions which you apply in your template in the components are available under mesh. So it will capture only those which are actually being used or which are actually being applied or used in your templates. So if I just simply open up these, so I am having these feature definition names in my templates. So, okay, this confirms that yes, I have applied the Indian feature definition names only. And if I just run a corridor quantity reports from here under corridor reports, component quantities, and it's asking me to locate corridor. So I can select any of the handle. So if you can see right over here, so it's giving me the mesh and the same names BC, VG40, dense bituminous macadam, DBM, granular subbase, GSP, unbound granular layer which I have used in the shoulder part, and then wet mix macadam as well as concrete M40 which I used in the curb section on the both ends of left and right pavement edges. So if you can see the volume and as well as the surface area of this cut and fill slopes. So if I just have a look on the detailed report as well, so I should get these layer names only. So which I'm getting that. So this confirms.